Hey, what's up? I want to start. It's called a sort of new series of homestanding survival food videos. Yeah. I don't really like soup in the can, but some of them are pretty decent, like Progresso. Pretty nice. You can find them normally for $1.50, $1.40, sometimes $1, even at the dollar store. Then I have probably all the different um, recipe of a selection. Anyway, this one is the traditional split pea. It's gluten free, so if you have a problem with allergy and everything, and the dog like it actually, so I'm gonna try it. And remind me of soup that they used to make in Italy with the dried peas and ham. Let's see how it tastes. Good? Well, I don't know. Then we survive. I know. Hopefully. It has some ham on it. I mean, not probably the best stuff in the world, but what do you think, Pina? Pina like it. So I think I will give it 1 to 10, 5 maybe. Not probably one of the best Progresso I had. The only good point is they got meat at least in there and some protein, so I would say not too shabby. I mean, probably, like I said, not probably the best one I ever had from Progresso, but at least let's see, 5. Peanut, what do you think about it? Peanut say, oh well, I'm full, I'm tired. She like it. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye.